Not every truth wants to be revealed. Are you ready to open the file? Do you believe that, more than 2,000 years ago, humans may have already known how to create electricity? In 1938, in Iraq, the land of ancient Mesopotamia, archaeologists discovered a small clay jar. At first glance, it looked completely ordinary. But inside, there was a copper cylinder and possibly an iron rod. That structure closely resembles the basic principle of an The Baghdad Battery was found near modern-day Baghdad, in the ruins of the Parthian civilization, dating from around 200 BC to 200 AD. The artifact consists of a clay jar, a copper cylinder inside, and possibly an iron rod in the center. If an acidic liquid is poured inside, such as vinegar or lemon juice, it can produce a weak electron. Some researchers suggest that the Baghdad Battery may have been used to electroplate metals, perform religious rituals, or even create divine effects, such as mild numbness. Modern experiments have shown that devices similar to the Baghdad Battery can produce about 0.5 to 1 volt of electricity, not much. However, most archaeologists do not accept this hypothesis. Because no electrical wires have been found, there is no evidence of devices that used electricity, and no ancient texts mention electricity. In addition, the structure of the jar could simply have been a container for scrolls, or a vessel for ritual objects, or a storage jar for valuable items. In other words, the fact that it looks like a battery may only be a coincidence of shape. The Baghdad Battery stands on the border between science and human imagination. It does not prove that ancient people had modern electrical technology, but it raises an important question. How much do we really understand about the technology of the past? Perhaps they were smarter than we think, or perhaps we are misinterpreting an ordinary object. The Baghdad Battery is not proof of a super-advanced ancient civilization, but it is a reminder that history still holds many unexplained mysteries. What do you think? Is this an ancient battery, or simply a misunderstanding? Leave your comment below. The truth is still hidden.